In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a fantasy AI video with Seedance 2.5. So to create a video like the ones you saw, first we need to go to NovoAds AI. This is a platform where you can do AI videos, you can create AI ads, and the best part is that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, once you have created an account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to use the model Seedance 2.5. Now in the duration, you could use up to 30 seconds long. That is a very good duration. And in the aspect ratio, you can create an horizontal video if you want with a 16:9 aspect ratio. But I want a vertical video, so I'm going to use the 9:16. Now here, if you want, you can upload images, audios, videos of reference, but I'm going to use only a prompt. So now here, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, so you could just copy and paste here the prompt. And actually, the important section of the prompt is this one. Here is where I describe the style of the video. And all this other section is where I describe what will happen in the video. So if you want, you can erase this and create another video. And if you put this at the end of the prompt, you will have a video with the same style as mine. So now let's put this back again. And now we have to click this button and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it. And there we have it. I really like it, the result. The quality of the video is really good. So let's see it again. So well, if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.